Welcome to my channel, and today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Yes, you heard that right, Rolls-Royce, the legendary symbol of luxury and elegance, has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine the comfort of a palace on wheels, the elegance of a yacht, and the smooth ride of a Rolls-Royce, all combined into one magnificent motorhome. That is exactly what the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome promises to deliver, and today, I am going to take you on a virtual journey inside this masterpiece. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. Rolls-Royce has always been about sophistication and class, and the Motorhome 2026 is no exception. The exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic body with signature Rolls-Royce touches like the iconic grille and the spirit of ecstasy proudly leading the way. The two-tone paint options and customizable finishes make this motorhome look like a moving piece of art. Even while parked, it commands respect and admiration wherever it goes. Now, let's talk about the interior, because that's where Rolls-Royce truly shines. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a world of ultimate luxury. The cabin is crafted with the finest leather, exotic woods, and hand-stitched details that remind you why Rolls-Royce is considered the pinnacle of craftsmanship. The seating feels more like sitting in a private jet than a motorhome, with fully reclining massage chairs and panoramic windows that let you soak in every view along your journey. And of course, everything is customizable, because when you're in a Rolls-Royce, your motorhome is tailored just for you. Technology lovers will be thrilled too. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is packed with the latest innovations, making life on the road seamless and enjoyable. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with voice and gesture control ensures you never have to lift a finger. There's a full smart home integration, so you can control lighting, climate, and even window shades with a touch or a voice command. The kitchen area features high-end appliances, making cooking on the road as enjoyable as being in a luxury villa. And let's not forget the bedroom and bathroom. The bedroom comes with a memory foam king-size bed, while the bathroom features a spa-like shower and premium fixtures that make it feel like a five-star hotel. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce has equipped this motorhome with a powerful yet smooth hybrid engine, offering a whisper-quiet ride that the brand is famous for. Even while cruising at highway speeds, you can barely hear a sound from the outside world. Advanced air suspension ensures that every bump is ironed out, making long journeys incredibly comfortable. And because Rolls-Royce cares about the environment, the hybrid system improves fuel efficiency while still delivering the power needed to move this luxury mansion on wheels with ease. Safety is another area where the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome excels. Equipped with AI-assisted driving, 360-degree cameras, automatic lane keeping, and advanced braking systems, this motorhome is as safe as it is luxurious. Whether you are driving along a winding mountain road or cruising through the city, the motorhome keeps you and your passengers protected at all times. Owning a Rolls-Royce motorhome is not just about travel, it's about experiencing life at its finest. It turns every road trip into a first-class journey, letting you explore the world without sacrificing an ounce of comfort or luxury. For those who demand nothing but the best, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is the ultimate statement of style, freedom, and sophistication. If you enjoyed this look into the future of luxury travel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more amazing updates about the most extraordinary vehicles in the world. Thank you for joining me on this luxurious journey into the world of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026.